fresh. But y'all put in the comment, don't her hair still look good? She had it in that little twirl piece, you know what I'm saying? I almost feel like a Sunday. Y'all, look, this is Daytona. Well, we're in Daytona, but this is like Ahmed or something like that. Also, bros and bros, put it in the comments, man. I didn't know they changed the Harley Davidson name. It was Bruce Brustmeyer. Now it's like Tommy something, so I'll have to check it out later. But how you feel, babe?
Good.
That's what wifey hopped on. Was it a comfortable ride?
Oh yeah, it was though.
Okay.
It was comfortable. There were some quick showers.
Quick showers? No, we got drenched. But what dried us off, babe?
The sun.
Yeah, the sun and the wind. Here, babe, what's today's date?
Today is Saturday, March 4th.
So me and wifey doing a turn and burn, y'all. We're gonna come here, have fun, have a good time. Man, probably run into, you know what I'm saying, some Wood Nation supporters. And we back on the road. That's how we do, man. All right, Wood Nation bros and bros. I found one of the salesmen here by the name of George. His name is also Puddin', but I ain't calling him Puddin'. You know what I'm saying? Cool dude. But all right, George is going to tell us, man. You know what I'm saying? Do they have any CBOs and why the name change? What's up, George?
Okay, so on the CBO issue, there are no CBOs at the moment. Harley's only making one CBO this year.
Really?
Road Glide Limited. Yes, sir.
Oh, wow.
And we have not received ours yet. They're very, very limited. So we should have one soon. Keep you posted on that.
Yes.
As far as the name change, back in November 14th, Teddy Morse from the Ed Morris Auto Group bought our dealership.
Really?
So we changed hands November 14th. So it's now Teddy Morse's Harley Davidson.
So everyone from Bruce Rossmeyer have no hand in it now, like no partners?
No, there's still a couple of the Rossmeyers working here. Shelly is still the general manager.
Oh, good.
Will
Okay.
still takes care of the property.
Okay.
But other than that, it's all new ownership. Everything's the same. You come here, you won't notice anything different but the name on the building.
That's awesome. Now, I didn't know they were selling, though. I didn't know that.
Nobody knew.
Well, they had to make them an offer they couldn't refuse because, come on, you know.
Mrs. Rossmeyer made a decision that she'd worked long enough. She wanted to sell the dealership.
Wow. Man, she's awesome. I love what she did. I love what everyone there did, man. So I'm glad there's still some people here, man. Appreciate you, bro.
All right, man.
Hey, can I show them your name? Okay, guys. So, all right. So I can't say Puddin'. Wait, I got to ask, why? Why that name? Why?
Do you remember the childhood rhyme, Georgie Porgy Puddin' Pie? Got it when I was young. All right, see you, Wood Nation.
All right, wifey, I want to ask Wood Nation. Go ahead and hop on, because wifey kind of likes this bike, y'all. So Wood Nation bros and bros, does a Street Glide special fit wifey or the Road Glide? Let me see. Hold on. You got it?
I'm scared. Can you hold my phone, love?
Uh-oh, that signs of a true rider. Okay. You like it?
I do like it. I mean, it's huge.
See, I can see you riding with me one day, you know?
Huh?
I can see you riding with me one day.
Well, one day.
What bike is this, wifey?
This is a Road Glide.
Good, Brucey. Okay. Hang on, let Wood Nation see. All right, Wood Nation. Does a Street Glide special fit wifey or does the Road Glide special fit wifey? All right, let's stand it up. What's up, bro? What's up? We're going to hit it again. Now that is a good question. Hey, bros and bros, put in the comments below, is the Street Glide heavier or the Road Glide? I'm not really sure, babe. I would probably say this because all this stuff on the front. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Hold on, hang on. Let's turn it. Okay. Now just sit it up. Put your feet on the floorboards.
Okay, you got the
it?
bike?
Huh?
You got it, babe?
Well, if we're trying to buy it, then no. No. Yeah, I got it.
You sure?
Yeah, I got it. Man, go ahead. Oh my God. Safety first. Look at her. I got you, man.
Okay.
Is it on there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. This is cool. Well, if anything, I kind of like the color. You kind of help the color pop. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you.
Oh, that's
I like
cool.
The color too.
Yeah.
This is definitely a lot bigger. I mean, because of the front here. Well, maybe because of speakers.
So the speakers, yeah, the speakers are here. Yeah. Oh, see, there you go, confirmation. Where's the salesman? No. Confirmation. Look at God. Uh-oh, babe. Babe, see there? That's what's up, bro.
Wait.
No.
I'm giving you a high five.
All right, Wood Nation bros and bros, man, I got another salesman, an awesome dude. His name is Reggie. What's up, Reggie?
What's up, Wood Nation?
Hey, Reggie, can you show me, man, the Road Glide Limited? Because that's going to be my next bike for me and wifey. Now, it's going to be in the CVO form, but I just want to do the Road Glide Limited. Can we do that? All right. That's what I'm talking about. Because this is how it's going to be when we get our CVO now. There you go.
Okay.
Now, this is the Limited. Y'all, Reggie pointed us to the Limited. I don't know, man, you're going to be in the back. Unless you go get your license, I don't know.
Oh, I thought you wanted me to do the same like
No!
earlier.
See, that's why you ain't getting your license.
You can step on the
Go ahead.
foot peg. Yeah, use the foot peg. There you go.
There you go. You got it?
Yeah.
All right, now let me hop on. Look at this. Oh, babe, now this is the King Tour Pack, too. See, it's like the new ones don't look so bulky. What y'all think? All right, man, let's act like we ride. What you think, Reggie? Pretty cool? Reggie, 10,000? Where? Hey,
682.
hey, you said you love me. Come on now. You gotta prove me.
You got some pearl in the green. It's a pearl flip. That's a pearl flip.
Oh my God.
Just over about
Really? How many miles, Reggie? What
We're down there playing with Road Glide.
Yeah. Look at that, 38,000 miles. That's not bad, man.
You see the license came on? You did that?
Oh, man. Look at this.
Okay, go on, man.
What's up?
Shake your hand, brother. Just how I be watching you, bro.
Oh, you do? Thank you, man. Oh, that's yeah, it was wifey.
My wife over there, that's why I noticed your ass. I said, look at this
Oh,
support
really?
over there. I said,
Thank
oh,
you.
got a sweater on, too.
Yeah. I appreciate it. We're going to come over and say hi. Where y'all at? Okay.
El Diablo.
The El Diablo? Wait, don't that mean double? Yeah. Wait a minute, Richie.
It's
The blood of Jesus. I don't know, man.
Hey.
Wifey, can I get the devil? No.
No.
That's what El Diablo is, man. Man, this
Stage
thing is
4.
good. Stage 4?
Stage 4.
No.
117. Stage 4. Blowing out your stage 4, making it a 131.
Oh my gosh. Look
Check
at
this
this.
out. Yeah, you see the clear glass, and that's the same thing that's on the primary. But this light here is like it's like the most expensive headlight
Seriously?
that they make. Yeah.
Can I see it on?
Yeah.
What? Oh, look at that, man. Oh, look at that 666.
God.
Oh, wow. Whoa. Wow. Is that like a yellow or? Is that like, and that's legal? Is that good?
Yeah. 579 miles. That's used. The guy couldn't handle it. Too much power.
Too much power? Because look at her. He had to put something on. I don't know what that was.
Grips on there, man.
Oh.
Put them on there and sweat.
Yeah. Get it right, Diablo. Wood Nation supporters in the building. What's going on, bro? I know we about to take some photos now. Ricky, you want to say anything to Wood Nation?
Man, keep doing what you do, bro. Keep doing what you do.
That's what I'm talking about. Thank you, bro. Yeah. Hey, what's up, big Mike? Hey, I say, man, don't go that way with that dog. You see the dude got the dog loose? What's up, man?
How you doing, bro?
Good, man.
Good to see you.
Wifey said,
Miss Wood?
she said, man, somebody's tracking you down. I'm like, don't nobody know me. I'm like, big Mike. Wood Nation, y'all know I keep the camera over. Look who we got here, man. Hey, all I say is, where did we go, man? The islands. Key West. What's up, Big Mike? What's up? What's up, Big Pile?
Oh, doing great, doing great. Who drug you down here?
She did.
The $1 million question is,
Uh-oh.
10 to the end.
Yes, sir.
You already know.
Yeah.
So what we doing? It's going to be in May. It's definitely going to be in May.
In May, yep. So y'all hearing it first, man. Big Mike made me get information out. No. I-10 in the end, May 8th. Yes, May 8th. All the way to May 8th, May 12th.
The 8th to the 12th.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, coast to coast. We getting it, man. Yep.
Lock it in.
Lock it in, man. It's home. It's the Iron Elite by Big Stars.
Right.
Yep, and you get the patch coast to coast. Yeah, man. Not a lot of people can. Most people started it, but they couldn't finish it. So, yeah,
Not a
man.
problem.
Woo!
I did it twice.
and about to kill me.
I was gonna ask you, are you gonna do it? So you already did it twice? Oh man.
But I never
So
did it twice.
these are no beginners here, y'all. Because you know, a lot of people ask me on the comments, they said, what's the difference between a professional? Like, no, they said, what makes a professional rider? And because I told the subscribers, I said, now this is for professional riders only. So the question they asked was, what describes a professional rider? So, well, I'll let y'all answer that. What describes a professional rider? Like, what do you hear when you hear professional rider?
A professional rider, my definition of professional rider isn't about the bling and the flash and everything. It's all about the ride. It's the passion of the ride, getting out on the road and going.
Yep.
Just getting highway underneath you, getting road behind you, getting sky above you.
Yes,
That's
sir.
a professional rider.
Man.
And even if you can only get out, you know, if you live in a area where you can only get 3 months out of the year, burn up them 3 months.
Burn up them 3 months. I know that's right. I know that's right. Big Mike, what's your definition of a professional rider, man?
We're just gonna say how. I mean,
Hey, I know. Only thing to do, we got to grow a mustache and a beard, man.
hey, I can't do it. I got Indian in my family. Ain't gonna work.
Oh, yeah. And he rocking the boots is white baby, y'all.
I think about professional rider, someone that has a lot of seat time.
Yeah.
Very well rounded in riding all different conditions, and also knowing your limitations.
Exactly.
You know, that makes it professional because, hey, I know I need to stop. I know this, know that. Knowing your bike.
Yep.
You know, I say those things already.
Woo.
I don't work for powers.
That's what I'm talking about.
164 degrees on the blacktop, and I started getting worried. Started getting like the fuzzies.
Having all of us,
And it
yep.
was just like, I got to stop. We ended up spending like 6 hours at a McDonald's.
Yes, yes. So,
Remember, even in the summertime, it gets cold at night too.
Oh yeah.
oh, really?
Definitely gonna drop.
So what about May? Since we're picking May, is that somewhat a good time?
Say again?
What about May? Since we're picking May to do the I-10
May's a good time of year.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you this. Don't get worried.
Uh-oh.
But the spring is tornado season, so you're gonna get some weather.
A lot of rain?
Probably honestly better do that in the fall.
Well,
Right when it's turning. When it's getting cooler is what I would think.
because what happens is the
Oh,
Gulf
yeah.
starts heating up, and all that moisture gets pulled up. So, pack rain gear.
Oh,
We rode in the rain
man.
all weekend.
Yeah.
On the mountain.
Yeah, but it's familiar
We rode in the
roads,
rain
you know?
all the way to the Keys.
I know, yeah. But I heard Arizona has a lot of twisties. Is that true?
Oh
or-
yeah, Arizona's awesome riding.
Oh, yeah, for dry weather, right?
Well, their roads, they're equipped for it though.
Oh, they are?
Yeah, their roads are equipped for it. Well, I'll tell you, whenever you hit California, whenever you come out of the Cuyamaca Mountains,
Yeah.
down by Crest, you head down toward Lakeside.
Oh, my gosh.
The roads are going to drive you insane because they cut rain grooves in the roads. So
Oh, no, man. That drop your bike feel.
Yeah.
Like you're going across the bridge
like
and those
you're getting a
ridges.
death wobble.
Oh, no. For how long?
California.
Are you serious? Oh, we were thinking 40 on the way back. What's your thoughts on that?
40?
Yeah. So we're trying to make it back quick as possible.
So we go do three there and 3 back, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yep.
6 days.
Yep. Yeah.
40's not a bad road.
It's not?
Yeah. Stay off 66.
Okay.
Yeah. Everybody wants to they have this fantasy about riding Route 66 because it goes all the way through Arizona, all the way up north. Stay off Route 66. If you love your tires, stay off Route 66.
Thank you.
That road will tear them up.
Really?
Yeah. They don't maintain it.
Ah.
In some part of Route 66 is okay because I go at some point I just want to do Route 66 just to put it.
It might be like in Arizona or Oklahoma, Texas.
Oh. A lot of potholes or just gritty?
It's like they built the road upside down.
Oh, gosh. All right. So, speaking of firearms, California. I want to pack my piece for California, but I'm hearing everyone saying no. I mean, I know you guys can, if you know what I mean. You guys
No,
are.
actually, no.
Well, you guys are blue.
They don't even acknowledge us.
Are you kidding? What?
Well, there's a federal law that states that law enforcement carry
carry on a plane.
Okay. Yeah. So the plane, but not just like coming in. And I know New York is bad. I heard about New York, but California, I thought they were like kind of visitor friendly.
To be honest with you, we all business options. If you got your, well, for law enforcement, I got most of my credentials. They can be a pain in the butt about it. Technically, they really can't do nothing to me.
Okay.
Well, I wouldn't suggest it.
Joe Civilian with just a, you know, a CCL.
Because they're CCL in Georgia, they don't reciprocate.
Wow. And I heard the only way you could be licensed with all 50 states is you have to be like part of the alphabet crew, you know, like FBI, CIA, or man. But man, I'm a good standing citizen, man. I deserve that.
You got to be a criminal in California, though. That's the only people that can carry guns.
Yeah, pretty much.
Really?
The trusted criminals, yes.
All right. So criminals in California, you guys accepting applications? No.
Up Wood Nation, check it out. Holistic world for every boys and girl. Check it out. Negative ions. Doing a balance test.
Okay.
This is for you to listen to your body and not me. So legs together like this, right arms out like that. I'm gonna press you down here. I want you to be strong. Right? Strong. Nice. Pick up your right heel, brother. 1, 2. Try again. 1, 2. You see how you're pulling off the with your legs? It'll give you better balance, better sleep, better flexibility, better strength. Do the same thing. So, now no matter how much I push on
That's pretty cool.
we're gonna find some inflammation in our body and show you how to work against it.
Okay.
Watch this. Legs together, one hand out like this. I want you to rotate your upper body until you feel pain. As far as you can go. Okay. Your head and everything. Keep your hands up right here. Yeah, your head and everything. Rotate as far as you can go. As far as you can go. That's as far as you go. Now look at this, right? Take 2 deep inhale. How far can you go now?
Oh no, man.
Take 2 deep inhale, exhale, and go as far as you can go. Your head and everything. Rotate as far as you can go. Can you go more? Just a little bit more? Alright. So, usually with people with inflammation, you see how she's able to get like a foot?
Yeah.
Some people will go all the way around. Let's try it on you, brother, and see how you feel. Legs together. One hand out like that. Rotate as far as you can go. Until you can't go anymore. That's where you feel the pain. This is where the body registers stress. Hold the bracelet, squeeze the bracelet, reset. Take 2 deep inhale, exhale, and then do it again.
Oh no, it's the same spot this time, big dog.
Just a
It's
little
the
bit.
same spot this time, big dog. right? So me and wifey at the gas station, right, preparing to get gas so we can head back home. Man, look, I don't know where I am, but I'm sure the Floridians know. Now this 4-way stop right here, there were 2 cats right here doing a burnout, right? Well, the 2 mobile officers were here and they zipped up on him quick, right? The officer cut him off on the left, the one on the right. Well, the one on the right, the police officer dropped his bike. So the one dude took off this way and the other biker took off that way. Now, the mobile officer took off behind that bike while the other mobile officer bike was still on the ground. So I don't know. So this is the question, you know what I'm saying, to my law enforcement or just, you know, to anybody that want to weigh in. Should the other officer have chased the other bike or helped his fellow officer pick his bike up? I don't know. I thought, that's what I'm talking about. I love it, man. But my assumption is I thought that the officer would have them pick up this bike because that's extra coverage as you're going to, you know what I'm saying, pursue the bad guy, or you know what I'm saying, somebody that did a bad thing per se. So, but you know what I'm saying, he went on and took off getting the other bike, and pedestrian had to have the police officer pick his bike up. And after that, I mean, this guy that jetted off to the right's already gone. More than likely, the other guy is gone because of the type of bike he had. What type of bike he had, that is not, hey, for me to know, nor for you to know. But the point is, I'm almost positive he got away. You know what I mean? So that's my question, guys. I don't know, just should the officer have stayed around to help the other officer pick his bike up? Or was that I wouldn't say the right thing to do, or are they trained to still go after the bad guy, leaving the other officer behind? I don't know.